This is a quick revision for geometry sections 2.1 until 2.4. If you have a circle with a center O, then the angle AOB is equal to the arc AB. And here the angle is in the center of the circle. And if you have these figures where the intersection of the secants met at a point on the circle, then the angle is equal to half the arc opposite to it, whether the secant is passing through the diameter or not passing. So it is, the angle is equal to half the opposite arc. If you have a polygon in any circle, the sum of the angles opposite to each other is equal to 180. So B plus D equal to 180 and C plus A equal to 180. The external angle will equal to the angle that is opposite to the adjacent. So this one is equal to this one. If you have two secants intersecting inside the circle, then angle 1 is equal to half the two segments that is formed by the secants. So half BD plus AC. But if the secant is intersecting outside the circle, whether it is two secants or one secant and one tangent or two tangents, then the angle is equal to half the big arc minus the small arc. And if you have an angle that is formed by a tangent and a secant, then this angle is equal to half the arc. So in this case half this arc, and in that case half that arc. Section 2.4, it is summarized in three formulas. If you have two chords intersecting inside the circle, then PC times PD equal to PB times PA. If secants is intersecting outside the circle, then PA times PB equal to PC times PD. I am always moving from the intersection point. And here this is an intersection between a tangent and a secant, so PT square, the tangent square, equal to PQ times PR. PQ times PR. You're always moving from the intersection. Weekly quiz, week 9. I will start solving the questions which are mostly a direct application of the formulas that we have revised. So in this figure he's asking which of the options is true. So the true option is angle 2 is equal to half MS plus RN. If the intersection is inside, you will add. If the intersection is outside, you will minus. And the second option also is angle R equal to half MR plus SN. So these are the two correct options. The rest all is not correct. In this figure, he wants angle X. I know that angle X is equal to half HG and also angle GH. And this angle also equals to half this arc. So this angle and this angle are equal. So X equal to 74. In this figure, he wants angle X. I know that angle X is equal to half the arc MR. This is a isosceles triangle. So this is 50. This is 180 minus 50 is 130 divided by 2. So this angle is 65 and this angle is 65. This arc is equal to double this angle. So this arc is 130. This angle is half the arc, so this angle and this angle are equal, so X is equal to 65. Again, direct application to the rule. Angle, this angle which is 70 is equal to half this arc plus this arc, X plus 50. So 2 times 70 is 140 is equal to X plus 50. So take the 50 to the other side, 140 minus 50 is 90, so X is equal to 90. Refer the figure below. He wants this angle BAC. I know that the arc BA is equal to double this angle. So this arc is equal to 56 times 2, which is 112. This is a diameter in the circle. So the diameter cuts the circle into half. So this whole is a half, which is 180. 180 minus 112 is equal to 68. So this arc is 68. So the angle opposite the arc is equal to half the arc, 68 divided by 2. So this angle is 34, which is the one he wants. In this figure, he wants angle ADB. I know that this arc ADB is equal to the angle, so this is 104, which is this angle is equal to half this arc. So this angle is equal to 104 divided by 2 is equal to 52. So this angle is 52. I have a polygon here. The sum of the two opposite angles is equal to 180. So this angle is 180 minus 52. So it is equal to 128. So this angle is 128. This question is a bit tricky, so I will go in it slowly. It's giving you this shape. This is a ladder with a length L. It is currently leaning on the wall and the height of 4.8. I don't know L and I don't know this. He's telling me if the bottom of the ladder slides on the ground a distance 1.6 with its top in touching the wall, it will be lying flat. Yani if this ladder like this is now, if it slides 1.6 on the floor, so if this slides 1.6, the ladder will be flat. So this will be the total length of the ladder. So this will be my L. So if he slides 1.6, this will be L. What do I understand from this? I understand that this side is L minus 1.6. So this side that I don't know is L minus 1.6. So I have a triangle, طبعا right angle because this is a wall, otherwise the wall will fall down. So this is 4.8, this is L minus 1.6, and this is L. Using Pythagoras theorem, I need to solve to get L. So the hypotenuse is square, L square equal to this square, which is L square minus L minus 1.6 all square, there's nothing here, sorry, plus 4.8 all square. So now I will solve this equation. So L square equal to the first one square, L square, plus the second one square, 1.6 times 1.6 is 2.56. The middle sign, this times this times this, 2 times 1.6 is 3.2L, plus 4.8 times 4.8 is 23.04. Let's simplify. This will go to the other side minus, so L square minus L square, this will equal to 0. 2.56 plus 23.04, so this will equal to 25.6 minus 3.2 L. Take this to the other side, so 3.2 L equal to 25.6. So L is equal to 25.6 divided by 3.2 equal 8. I'm using the calculator honestly, so I hope if they get you these numbers, they will allow you to use the calculator, or they will get you an easier ones. In this figure, what is the value of x? He is giving that this is a right trapezoid in angle C and angle D. So this is 50, 90 minus 50, this will be 40. 90 minus 60, this will be 30. So 30, 40, the triangle is 180 degree. 180 minus 40 is 140 minus 30, 110. So this angle is 110. And in that triangle, I already know this is 35 and this is 50. So 180 minus 35 minus 50, this angle is 95. So I have this as a circle. So 360 minus 110 minus 95 minus given 105 equal to angle x. So angle x is equal to 50 because the sum of all these angles is 360. I got this, I got this, I got this. So x is 360 minus all, which is 50. Question 9, he wants the value of x. If you notice the small triangle and the big triangle, they are similar. Both triangles have a right angle and both triangles have an angle here. I will call it A, for example. So the other angle that I don't know, I will call it B. It will equal to this angle also, which is B. What is equal? 180 minus A is equal to B. Here also 180 minus A is equal to B. So the small triangle, I'll draw it here. I have angle A, angle B, and a hypotenuse. A hypotenuse is 4. The line opposite to angle B, I know it is 3. So this is angle B. The line opposite to it is 3. This one I don't know. No need. And now I will draw the big triangle. The big triangle has also angle A and B and the right angle. In the big triangle, the hypotenuse is 3 plus 5, which is 8. And the line in front of the angle B is this one, 4 plus x. So this is 4 plus x. So proportionately, this hypotenuse to this hypotenuse is equal to this length because they are similar. So 4 to 8 is equal to 3 to 4 plus x. Simplify. Divided by 4 is 1, divided by 4 is 2. Then cross multiplication, 2 times 3 is 6, equal to 4 plus x. So x is equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. In this figure he wants the value of x, which is fb. So direct application into the rule. This is a tangent, so fb square will equal to I call this point c, fc times fa. So x square will equal to 8 times fa. So 8 plus 24, which is 32. 8 times 32 is 256. This is x squared, so x is equal to 60. What's the value of x? Direct application, the angle 90 equal to half x plus 60. So 90 times 2 is 180 equal to x plus 60. Take the 60 other side, 180 minus 60 is 120 equal to x. Here the angle x is an external angle, so x is equal to half the big arc 106 minus the small arc, which is 46. 6 minus 6 0, 10 minus 4 is 6, so 60 over 2. X is equal to 30. Given this arc and this angle, he wants the value of x. The angle 48 is equal to half this arc plus this arc, which is 3x plus 7x minus 24. 3x plus 7x is 10x minus 24. So 2 times 48, 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. So 96 is equal to 10x minus 24. I'll take the 24 the other side, so it will be plus 24. 6, 4, 10. 9, 2, 11 plus 1, 20. So 120 is equal to 10x. So x is equal to 12. In this figure, again, he wants the angle x. He gives you that this arc is 152 and gives that this arc is 132. The whole circle is 360, so 360 minus 152 minus 132, I will get the arc DE, which is 76. So x direct application, half the big arc 152 minus the small arc, which is 76. 152 minus 76 is equal to 76, so x is equal to 76 divided by 2, which is equal to 38. What's the value of x that is formed from a tangent and a secant intersection? So x is half this arc, so 170 divided by 2, x is 85. Here also, what is the value of x? It's half 140 minus 60. 140 minus 60 is 80 divided by 2 equal to 40, so x is equal to 40. Here also he wants x the same thing, half 108 minus 34. 108 minus 34 is 74 divided by 2 is 37. What is the value of z? Z is half this arc AB minus this arc 34. So this is the angle Z. Arc AB is 2 times this angle, so 52 times 2. 52 times 2 is 104. So 104, this is AB, is 104. 104 minus 34 is equal to 70 divided by 2. So Z is equal to 70 degree. 70 divided by 2, so 35. Again, 104 minus 34 is 70 divided by 2 is 35. What's the value of X? Again, direct application. 8 times 18 equal to 9 times 9 plus X. So 8 times 18 equal to 9 times 9 plus X. I will simplify. Divided by 9 equal 2, divided by 9 equal 1. So 8 times 2, I have 16 equal to 9 plus X. So X is equal to 16 minus 9 equal to 7. Here he wants the value of X. 4 times X, so 4X. 6 times 6, which is 36. Or you can simplify. Divided by 2 equal 3, by 2 equal 3, by 4 equal 1. So X is equal to 2 times 3, which is, this is 3, sorry. 3 times 3 is 9. Km is a tangent. He's giving Km is 6, Kn is 9. What is the value of KL? 6 square, so 6 times 6, which is 36, equal to KL, which I don't know, I'll call it X, times 9. Simplify. Divided by 3 equal 2, by 3 equal 2, divided by 9 equal 1, so X is equal to 4. Or you can say 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. SW is 8, ST is 12, SV is 6. He wants SR. So 8 times 12, 8 times 12 equal to 6 times what I don't know, which is X. I'll call it X. Simplify. Divided by 6 equal 1, divided by 6, this will go, this will become 2. 2 times 8 is 16. So X is equal to 16, which is SR. So SR is 16. He wants the X. So this is a tangent. So 12 square, 12 times 12 equal to 8 times all this, DG. DG is X plus 8. So I will divide here by 8 and divide here by 8. This will go with this. Divided by 4 equal 2, by 4 equal 3, by 2 equal 1, by 2 equal 6. 6 times 3 is 18 equal to X plus 8. Take the 8 to the other side. 18 minus 8 is 10. So X equal to 10. This is the only question representing the IGCSE section 7.1. He gives a histogram. This is a histogram where this is considered as an area of a triangle. The side is one given information, the width, and the length is another given information. So here he's asking the number of hours that a group of 42 grade 10 students spend during a computer in a day is summarized in this histogram. So from 0 to 4 hours, what is the frequency? From 0 to 4, this is a rectangle. The side is 4 and the height is 2. So the frequency is 2 times 4, 8. From 4 to 6, from 4 to 6, this is another triangle. The width is 2, the length 6. This length from here to here is 6. So 2 times 6, the frequency is 12. From 6 to 8, from 6 to 8, this is another triangle. The width is 2, the length is all this, which is 8. 2 times 8, 16. So the frequency is 16. From 8 to 9, from 8 to 9, this is a triangle. The width is 1, the length is 4. 1 times 4, the frequency is 4. From 9 to 10, again, this is a small triangle. Width is 1, 10 times minus 9 is 1. The width is 2, 1 times 2, the frequency is 2. So to get the frequency, you consider that this is a triangle, this is the width, this is the length. the area of the triangle is your frequency.